Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we present you with the news of one of our favorite TV show Young and the Restless. As Abby Newman's hubby Chance Chancellor is alive, he is said to be in Spain, and the actor who will be playing Chance and Wiener also debuts his role. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. The early spoilers of our favorite TV show Young and the Restless confirms that Chance Chancellor, who will now be played by Connor Floyd, is alive. However, it is said that he is injured and is in pain. Abby Newman recalls the story her dead husband told her about his time in the service. She makes a telephone call on the CBS soap opera, and what she learns from that leads Abby directly to Chance, and he is not dead. Chance Chancellor is missing and he was presumed to be dead. However, all the viewers are now aware that the part was recast and Connor Floyd is the new Chance and Wiener. He takes on the role shortly and we will see Chance Chancellor very soon injured, not dead. With Chance's new face, Wiener writers will have some explaining to do. The CBS soap opera could ignore the new face and not mention it, or they could say Chance Chancellor needs reconstructive surgery for the injuries that he received from the blast that destroyed his safe house. Similarly, this week, Abby calls Kim Dunaway a close friend of Chance from his past, and the weekly Young and the Restless spoilers have Abby contact Kim about Chance. It turns out that Kim and her husband treated Chance Chancellor like a son when he was a soldier. They both worked in a field hospital, so the news indicates that Kim tells Abby Chance is still alive, and we expect Abby to take off to meet Kim and find Chance Chancellor next week. However, something strange is going on with Chance. Kim says she can't really talk about it and doesn't want to be overheard. So the spoilers tease Chance Chancellor isn't out of danger yet. Next week, Abby begins her search for Chance and will finally get a glimpse of the recast actor playing Chance Chancellor and replacing Donny Boaz. Similarly, Billy Abbott's plan collapsed on Young and the Restless, so Lily Winters must play clean up. Things are so bad that she asks for outside help next week. Wiener News hints that she will reach out to Jill Abbott with the hope that she can save the day. So Jill returns to town and she has a lot to say. Jill is furious and reads Billy the Riot Act. Young and the Restless spoilers, so Jill may fire her son from his position at Chancellor Communications. Already he volunteered to step down if Victor Newman would stop punishing the company and leave Lily a place as CEO. So the episodes from November 22nd to 26th will have Lily cursed as Billy Campbell ruins them. The new episodes of the CBS soap opera will air on Monday to Wednesday, which is November 22 to 24. Then there's a repeat airing on Thanksgiving Day. So Astoria fans will be happy to see Aslan Locke with Victoria Newman in a replay of the beautiful ceremony on Young and the Restless. The episode first appeared on October 15 of this year. It was a who's who of Genoa City with the most of the Newman family in attendance. The Newman Palazzo in Italy was the setting for the affair. Excitement was high as Young and the Restless viewers wondered if the wedding would be interrupted by Jesse Gaines. However, the ceremony went off without a hitch. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Young and the Restless as it comes in. We will have all the burning Young and the Restless spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.